So today we busted out a fade on some soft blonde hair. Now my model, he happens to be a good friend of mine, and what he shared with me is he likes his sides and back really short. So I took it down tight, left the top a little bit longer, and basically created a fade on some soft blonde hair.
Alright, so I'm starting off this haircut by using my clippers without a guard, and basically what I'm doing is I'm removing all of the hair on the lower half of the sides and back by taking my clippers and scooping in an upward motion to kind of soften the line that I'm creating so that it's easier for me to fade out that line later. So I'm going to work my way around the head, just removing all of the hair on the lower half of the sides and back using my clippers, and then I will end up using my trimmers just to clean up the outline even tighter and even cleaner. So now I've got the trimmers in my hand, and I'm basically going to work my way around the outline from the right side of the head all the way around to the left side of the head, just basically taking the hair in the outline even shorter. So it's now time for some scissor over comb. I'm basically going to take my scissors and comb and fade out that original line that we created when we first used the clippers. So now that we have finished the sides and back, I'm going to go through and blend the sides with the top using my fingers, working my way around from the left side to the center back of the head, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. So it's now time to cut the top. I want to leave the top a little bit longer, so I'm not going to take much off the top. I'm basically going to just clean up the shape. There was a little bit of hair at the crown area that was left longer the last time my model had his haircut, so I just want to clean up the shape and sharpen it up, but we're going to leave pretty much most of the length that he already has on top. We're just going to leave it there. Now I'm going to create a little bit of texture on the top of my model's hair by using the slicing technique. You can see I'm just taking my scissors and kind of slicing through the top. That way when my model goes to style his hair, he can have some versatility by giving the hair some texture, or he can just kind of brush it over to the side or whatever he wants to do. But by going through and creating that texture, it will allow him to have that ability to create a chunky kind of messy look if he chooses to. Alright, so we've officially come to the end of this video. I'm now dressing my model's hair with some pomade. I hope you guys like this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more future content. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching.